Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today on Short and Sweet this week, we are going to do another simple design using Apres gel polish. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, we are doing another short and sweet nail set today. I had stripped all of the polish from the previous design. I prepped my nails and I'm applying this, it's from Gelish. I've used it before. This one is for strength. I like to use this one for my natural nails. It apparently has vitamins inside the polish. I mean, how good is it really? I don't know. You'd have to go on their website and check out how it actually works, because I got this bottle, like, I'm not gonna lie, years ago. So anyway, we're just gonna apply this one nice thin layer onto each nail. If you were just wearing this bare, you can do 2 coats to ensure that you've got a nice layer of coverage. I'm one to say that I'm horrible with my nails. I do a lot of work with my hands without a thought. I'm a hands-on person, so this is why I like to put extensions. This is why I have to put polish, because I'm always breaking my nails. These nails used to be a little bit longer, not that I was going to keep it long, because I like to have my left hand nails short for my other channel, but every time I strip it clean, it's not too long before I chip it. So for the Apres, we're going to be using Prismatic ASL. This is P12. This is a pearlized gel, and I opened this up in my live away unboxing, and I think ASL, I think the consensus was age, sex, location. The names for these bottles were pretty funny, so if you had not seen that live, you can go check out my live tab on my channel. If you have not seen this polish, you can also go on their website and check that out. I don't earn anything for it, but they have a lot of cute colors. There's about 18 of them. And this one here, I loved. I give away the ones that I don't want, and then I keep the ones that I like. Obviously, I kept this one, and I loved it because it's a pearlized color, and it has hints of blue. So it's a white pearl. When you look at it at one angle, and then in another angle, it comes off this really mystic and magical pearlized blue, as the camera is giving off now. So it's just kind of a shame sometimes with the camera. It's really hard to see true colors, especially when it comes to metallics, pearls, chromes, cat eyes, all these things that are the selling point for a nail company, and you can never really tell what it really looks like until you put it on yourself and you see it in front of you. So having to share this on camera, it's nice, but I really wish you can see how it really is. There's this automatic shine to the gel polish. I do put a top coat over it, of course, but it amplifies the look. So I just, like I said, I wish you guys can see that. So for this color, though, I did put 2 coats. I'm only going to show the one. And it is still going strong. I mean, it's only been less than a week, I think. So yeah. So for the short and sweet this week, I said I was going to go through my sticker book, because I never get to use my stickers, and I have a ton of them, as you can see here. So we're just starting with the first pages. I am avoiding the French ones, because all that does is create a French tip, which seems, super simple. I have a problem of putting images together, whether it's stickers or stamping plates. So this is going to be a challenge for me, but it's also going to be fun. So I got these super ultra cute black cat stickers, and as you know, Dexter is a black cat, so I'm really happy to use these ones finally. I've used some of them in the past, but never on my hands. So needless to say, if you are up for a quick manicure for shorties, definitely tune into my channel. I can't tell you when or how often I do the short and sweet videos, but I can tell you that I do them as my nail grows out, or if I want to change up the design. I'm going to go through the prismatic colors that I kept. So we're in store for a very colorful set of videos coming up for you. So I'm really excited about this because short nail peeps need love too. So I hope that these simple designs are going to help you just shake things up and inspire you to do things to your nails, because not all of us have the extensions, not all of us have all the decorative tools that make these amazing art designs. But I feel like with a good set of stickers, the right placement, a very good color, you know, shorty designs can come out super ultra cute as well. So we're just gonna make a black cat nail set today, and I thought that these stickers would go great with this background because it's nice and simple, and then it obviously contrasts with the light and dark. So I'm just trying to find, out of all these super ultra cute stickers, which ones I'm gonna use. So that was my, you know, task for this video. And again, like I said, I'm never good at putting stickers and images together to make a nice cohesive design, so this was already a challenge for me. And then my other issue I have in life is that I am very indecisive, so I got two things against me. And that's gonna happen in this series. But I think the end result ended up looking, you know, obviously super ultra cute because it's Dexter. Why not? But I'm very excited about this series, even though it is going to be a little bit challenging for myself, because I have kept all the cute stickers that I received in my mystery boxes, all this stuff, like the freebies that I would get. And knowing that maybe someday I'll use it for something, and that day never came. And I'm just thinking about some of the memorable pieces or sheets of stickers that I got, and I'm just waiting to hit that page in that booklet. I don't even know what's in there at this point, but I know some of the sheets in there I really liked. So hopefully they come up soon, because I like to do, you know, this black and white thing, of course I'm gonna like, but I really want to do a play with color. And you know, when it comes to some of these stickers, they've got a whole bunch of color coming up, I promise you. So anyway, I'm just going to be, I think I might be planting in some beets in here, because this is just going to be me trying to figure out my life with stickers. So you can watch that and then listen to the beats. Maybe for short and sweet, we're just going to have to rock it, right? So maybe I'll find some danceable beats. If I find some funny cat songs, maybe I will do that too. But we'll see what we've got in this library.
I'm home with a cat, what you think about that? Queen of the castle, and that's a fact. She might be round the corner, so watch your back. When I'm home with the cat, everything's fine. But we're living on her time. Everything's fine. Unpredictable feline. Meow. Home with the cat. Sleeping in the center of a sunspot, hunting control. Hiding, so hard to find, and if she never comes home, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm home with the cat, what you think about that? Queen of the castle, and that's a fact. She might be round the corner, so watch your back. When I'm home with the cat, everything's fine, but we're living on her time. Everything's fine, unpredictable feline, walking on a ledge, gonna eat veg, a paw at your socks, 'cause this cat rocks. Home with the cat, home with the cat, home with the cat.
So here I'm using the No Wipe top coat. This is actually a pretty nice and shiny top coat. There was two that I did in the unboxing. The other one was more of a scratch resistant, I think UV something or other, I forget, or temperature. But this seems like their basic top coat, and it's not basic whatsoever. I just love looking at my nails because it's got that pearlized effect with the polish, and then the top coat makes it extra shiny. So I've got that going. It looks like my nails are about to pop up from my hands. Anyway, I just put a layer of this onto each nail. This is going to seal in your stickers. That's the most important. If you find that there's a little bump in the sticker and it didn't quite get covered with the top coat. Definitely put a second coat. I think there were 2 nails that I did a second coat with, making sure that the top coat went over that little bubble in the sticker. So here I'm going to use the Summer Touches cuticle oil. I kept 2 of the out of the 4 cuticle oils. It's new, it's seasonal, so I picked summer and fall. The other ones were winter and spring. But you have to mix it up and it turns white, and that mixes all the ingredients together, and you just apply this just around the nails so that you can rub this all in, rehydrate your nails. Mine here look a little antiqued because with the nail cleanser it really dries up the skin. So I'm just putting all of that back, and it smells really nice. I think one of the ingredients is sage. I don't remember the other. But here's the end result, you guys. Look how shiny it is already. It's extra, off camera because this camera does not do it justice. But comment below, let me know what you think. It's a nice, simple, and short and sweet nail design. Brought to you by Isms by Josie. And of course, I love black cats, pets in general. So it's definitely on my top list so far of these. But thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I really appreciate it, for being a super ultra amazing people. I'll see you in the next one. Let me know, comment below what you think of this set. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Josie has a garden on her balcony. This is where her green thumb wheels her masterpiece. You'll find Dexter trying to test the perfection, the leafy green of the broccoli. Come harvest time, Josie, Dexter, and Keith will enjoy the buffet line. Josie made sure to pollinate, to plant by the right date. Don't get grossed out by the sticky pads, overwatering, invited.